Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing weekend. Currently it is Saturday. And before we get into the charts, let me just apologize for yesterday's video. I had some mic issues, but everything should be fixed right now and I hope this does not happen again. But yeah, I'm sorry, and let's get right to the charts as Bitcoin is right now testing the value area low of this macro range again. And as I said, we will be getting a bounce from here, which actually could already have happened. As you can see, we got a nice bounce all the way up towards 84.5k. And Bitcoin is right now looking towards the downside once again. We are looking to continue potentially this push towards the downside, since potentially, as I said, this time is different than this last couple of times that we had drops. Why is that, you may ask? Is because we did actually break down of this channel right here, or bear flag, you could call it that. So before we had small drops, we were still trading in this channel, but as of right now we broke this channel towards the downside, as you can see, and we've already tested the liquidity, we front ran it, and right now Bitcoin, the market makers, could potentially just sweep us very low all the way down towards the lows from April, and this could very well happen during the weekend, since we do have low volume and the manipulation could be happening very easily, as I said, during the weekend. Ethereum trading right now at 2600. We are basically back in the range from last summer, basically from 2025 in the summer right here. And if we sweep below this range, then the target could be all the way down towards 2100. And this could very well be a local bottom for this range. After this dump happens towards here, then we could see a range and potentially a breakout happening. But of course, this won't happen just like that. It's gonna take weeks to play out. But as I said, we could see the drop happen very fast and then the V-shaped reversal. Solana also right now dropping below the macro value area low. We could revisit $95 again to grab the liquidity. This is basically the low from April for Solana. But if we slip past through this low, then we may very well, of course, visit lower price targets from all the way back in 2024 on 2023 right here during the bear market. It could happen, guys, if Bitcoin drops even lower and goes back into this range. The altcoins are going to go even lower. This could be for sure. And if the stock market starts pushing towards the downside, this is also going to accelerate that move for Bitcoin and for the altcoins. Now you can see right here, we do have price going down with open interest also coming down, which is bearish. We do have short positions accumulating and opening up right here. They are trying very hard to push the price down, and we need to go on a bigger time frame on the liquidation heat map for us to see the next levels of confluence. You could see we still have liquidity down at around 73k, basically below this April low right here. So price could very well sweep through this liquidity. Fear and Greed Index is right now at 26. We are approaching the extreme fear zone. We are near it, as you can see right here. And if we get that capitulation move towards the downside, then of course we are going to be going back into that extreme fear zone. ETFs, we saw another big outflow from the institutions yesterday, with BlackRock selling $500 million of Bitcoin. As you can see, basically over 500 million of spot ETFs have been sold yesterday just from them. Fidelity bought a bit, but other than that, the other institutions have not been selling any, but this massive move just came from BlackRock alone. Long versus shorts ratio, as you can see, guys, it is a massive difference. We do have a lot of longs in the market right now, a lot of shorts, excuse me. Overall, from the major exchanges, we have a lot of short positions accumulating, so we could very well do that move towards the downside that I'm talking about. Fear and Greed Index, as you can see, the news, we had all of our news for the week. PPI came in basically higher than expected, and we do have PMI on Monday, but there's news going around for potentially another US government shutdown, so we might not be getting any news again. But if we do, we have some very important news coming out next week as well. So yeah, I think this would cover it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.